So I'm doing something today that I absolutely love to do in the fall, cold water periods, and that's I'm pitching jigs and plastics. It's a chess match to me. There's a lot of little things that make the difference. It's all about controlling the fall rate of that jig as I'm working down the drop off. I have like a 3 to 5 second window. I like to see that jig just falling on its own, free falling before it contacts the bottom again. And I do that a number of different ways. Today you see it's a little bit windy outside too, which also comes into play. So I'm actually using braided line today instead of monofilament, which I normally like to use, because the braid cuts the wind better and I don't get such a big bow in the line. As the temp falls, I'll absolutely switch to monofilament on the calmer days because it just slows the fall rate because of the density of the monofilament line. It's the little things when you're throwing plastics like this in cold water that make all the difference between getting bit and not getting bit.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.